Hey, good afternoon. I thought I'd just share a little bit about uh, Codex and what it looks like. So, this is kind of what I've been doing. I've been trying to tell everyone that would listen to me um, how cool and powerful Codex has become in the last little bit. So, you just type in Codex to your terminal. Um, skip this for right now. Right. So, it just opens up into whatever folder that you have. And then you can start typing. You can choose your model. CGPT 5.4 is here now. You can choose the reasoning level, and you can just ask it. Anything. It does a lot of cool things. But this interface is potentially a little bit intimidating to some. The way I use it, two broad strokes right now is one. I've got like a digital version of my sister's high impact planner that I've created a bunch of MD files which emulate the concept of that. And because I'm working all locally, uh, I, have my weekly plan. I type in things. I'm building files. I'm building summaries, reports, and at the end of the day, I can just tell Codex to make a summary of what I did today, store it, cross-reference it against my weekly goals, things like that. And the other flip side of it is I have a second terminal window open that's writing and building code for me that I'm, playing and iterating with how to use Sentinel-2 remote sensing data. But I just seen a pretty exciting thing pop out yesterday, which is the Codex Windows app has been released. So I just basically clicked open on it. It downloaded, and it opens up this here, and that's as far as I've gotten with it. It asked me what folder I wanted to be in, so that's my top level folder there, and you've got your model selector here, your reasoning effort. Looks like I can add a new project, so I'm just going to try go. Okay, yeah, so it opens up past history there. I'm just going to say, oops. Oh, set up agent sandbox to continue. This is supposed to be so that it is kind of boxed into the certain folders, and it can't make changes outside of the folder that I give it access to, at least without explicit permission. Anyways, I don't know if it's setting up or what it's doing, but I'm going to just try this. Hey, I had been using this folder for with Claude. Oops. Let's try this. With Claude Code, to look at my high impact planner is kind of my way to help me progress through this project I'm building. So my question for you is, are you able to read the Claude.md file and memory.md file in here, or are those Claude specific? Why don't you just have a look and see, and maybe we can get rolling with today's tasks. I alternate between Claude Code and Codex for typically Claude Code has been kind of what I've been doing with the planner, because it's a little bit more conversational, and then Codex is way less conversational and like really just business. Really good at coding and for long runs, and that's kind of how I've been working it. It also splits up my token usage between two different subscriptions. I've got $20 subscriptions for Codex and for Claude Code. I'm thinking someone said that you can like basically index a whole folder so that it's kind of always aware of what's going on. Yeah, the idea is, I think on this one, you're able to open up multiple threads, agent runs, which I guess we'll probably just play with and see how that's working. Okay, so got some interesting stuff there. And so this is it. I think if I wanted to, I could open that in cursor, or I could probably add anti-gravity in here. I can open the terminal. Yeah. So it's not going to have a diff view for, didn't make any edits to that file. Yeah. Well, I would encourage anyone to explore these ideas. Codex seems really cool. And if you guys are interested in this, I'd share some more.